Happy morning children, welcome back. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is Unit 2 poem, We Love Our School. Before starting the poem, I am asking you some questions. How many of them like your school, children? Then how many of them miss your school? I hope you all like your school and all of them miss your school. And which is your favorite period, children? Yes, I think it is PT period. Children, today we are going to recite this poem, We Love Our School. Shall we start, children? We love our school. Off to school, to read and write and play, to learn new things each day. Here is school, pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper and notebooks too. We love our school, we write, we sing, we run, lovely to have such fun. Now we are going to learn the rhyming words. School, pool, play, day, glue, blue, fun, run. I am repeating once again. School, pool, play, day, glue, blue, fun, run. Let's learn the poem in detail. We love our school. Off to school, to read and write and play, to learn new things each day. Off to school. Children, why we are going to school? Yes, we want to read, write and play. And then we want to learn new things. Each day we want to learn new things. That's why we are going to school. Here is school, pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper and notebooks too. So what we can see in our school? There will be pencils will be there, crayons, scissors, glue, and you will use erasers, papers and notebooks too. We love our school, we write, we sing, we run, lovely to have such fun. Children, how many of them love your school? Yes, I think you all love your school because you can write, you can sing, you can run and so many friends will be there and you can play with them. And lovely to have such fun. Children, all of you take page number 20. Now we are going to do our book back exercise. A. Write T for true or F for false for each sentence. First one, the children are going to the park. Is it correct, children? No, it is false. Second one, the children read, write and play in school. Is it correct? Yes, it is true. So you want to write T. Third one, the children learn new things each day. Is it correct? Yes, it is also true. Then fourth one, the children don't like school. Is it correct, children? No, it is false. So you want to write F. B. Circle the things you find in a school. Children, what are the things we can find in our school? Here, pencils, crayons, sheep, notebooks, top, bed, glue, car, erasers and scissors. So, you want to circle the things. So, which things you want to circle? Yes, pencils. Next one, crayons. Then, notebooks. Then, bed we can find? No, glue. Then, you want to circle erasers. And you want to circle next word, scissors. The next one, play with words. For each word, write one rhyming word from the poem. First one, pool, school, play, day, blue, glue, fun, run. D. Write the words for the short forms. Choose from the box. I will, you have, did not, is not. So first one, you have. So I will write you have. Then isn't, is not, didn't, did not, I will. Next one, grammar fun, we will discuss later. Then next after that, F, what do you like and don't like about rainy days? Write 2 sentences about each in your notebook. See here children, here they gave dark grey clouds, mud puddles, colorful umbrellas and thunder. If you like means you can write I like dark grey clouds. If you don't like, I don't like dark grey clouds. Like that you want to make 2 sentences about each words. Okay. The next one, fun time. Fun time means on the blackboard circle 8 things you find in your classroom. So here one word search is here children. You want to find the things what you can find in your classroom. One example is given blackboard. You want to find other words also. For example teacher, chair, chalk, and you want to find the words and circle it. Children, take page number 9 in your workbook. Then play with words. A. Color the correct short forms of the words in capital letter. Children, some words are given in capital letter. You want to find out the short forms and you want to color that box. First one, I will. So which is the correct answer children? How we will write the short form of I will? I apostrophe LL. So you want to color that box. Next one, they are. What is the short form children? How we will write they apostrophe RE. So it is the correct answer. Then you want to color that box. Then cannot. So can't. So you want to color the first box. Then would not. What is the short form children? Wouldn't. So you want to color the last box. Then B. Use the word from the box to complete these sentences. See here one box, you can see some words are there. First one, a caterpillar dash on the ground. So the answer is wriggles, WRIGGLES. You know what is the meaning of wriggles? Wriggles means moving slowly. Then second one, the hens dash at the corn. Peck, you know, peck means bite. Then third one, the diamonds dash in light. Sparkle. Sparkle means shine. SPARKLE. Sparkle. Then fourth one, spiders dash a web. You know the spider spin. 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 Then lightning dashes in the sky. Flashes. 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 Children, now we are going to learn the grammar part in this lesson. That is noun, singular and plural. Children, you know what is meant by a singular noun and plural noun? What is the difference between a singular noun and a plural noun? Yes, a singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. While a plural noun names more than one person, place, things or ideas. There are few basic rules to remember when it comes to turning a singular noun into a plural noun. Most singular noun needs to add s to a noun to make it more than one. That means we can change a singular noun into a plural noun by adding s at the end of that word. For example, car, cars, sister, sisters, bike, bikes, school, schools, basketball, basketballs. But in some words, we need to add es to nouns which end with s, sh, ch, x or o. For example, box. We are adding es at the end of that word. Box, boxes. Brush. We are adding es at the end. Brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Glass, glasses. Tomato, tomatoes. A few nouns form their plural by changing the vowels of the singular nouns. For example, here woman, WOMAN. When it is changing into a plural noun, the vowels is changing. The spelling for women is WOMEN. Like that, man, MAN, man. Then when it is changed into a plural noun, the spelling is men. Man, men. Like that, goose, geese, mouse, mice, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, cactus, cacti, person, people, ox, oxen. Children, take a new page to write your classwork, and the first line you want to write Unit 2 poem. Next line you want to write the heading. After that, leave one line and write spelling words. First Roman letter. First Roman letter finish means you want to leave one line and write the second Roman letter, and so on. Children, write your classwork very neatly with legible handwriting and without any spelling mistakes. Hope you all understood about the poem and the grammar part. Then write your classwork neatly, recite the poem 1 or 2 times, and learn the spelling words and rhyming words. Thank you, children.